It's martini time, and I'm gonna show you today how to make my all-time favorite cucumber gin martini. All you need are just a couple ingredients. You need your gin, your dry vermouth, and some cucumber. I'm actually gonna be adding just a half a lime, just I like the acidity that it brings to my martini, but whatever you prefer. And don't forget your martini glass. So, I'm gonna start with St. George Botanivore Gin. This is my favorite gin of all time. It's actually made in Alameda, which is South Los Angeles. It's got 19 botanicals and herbs in it. It has juniper berries, black peppercorn, cardamom, cinnamon, licorice even, a little pine. It's very woodsy, very elegant, very easy and fresh to drink. I'm gonna use 3 ounces of that. I'm also gonna put in 1 ounce of dry vermouth, and I'm also gonna use half a cucumber that I'm gonna muddle ahead of time, and also a half a lime. So I'm gonna start by taking half of the cucumber that I took, and I'm gonna start muddling it with my muddler right in my glass, okay? So just muddle, muddle, muddle till you get a bunch of juice. I'm also gonna make sure that I have plenty of ice in my cocktail shaker. At least halfway, you can actually already see it starting to chill the shaker. I just finished pouring 3 ounces of my St. George Botanivore Gin. After that, I'm gonna pour 1 ounce of dry vermouth. Okay, don't over pour like I just did. I'm gonna take my half a lime, I'm gonna put it in my juicer, and I'm going to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. One-handed. Ingredients are in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take it, and I'm gonna shake it. I should be ready. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, that is nice. Ooh, I love those little cucumber pieces in there. Good. They're good. I like to dress it up just a little. There you go. Now she's ready. All right, guys, here's my beautiful cucumber gin martini. Enjoy it. I hope you love it just as much as I do. Oh yeah, that's a wrap.